Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time for the unboxing of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. So this is a successor to one of the most popular mid-range phones from last year, Redmi Note 4, and now we have got Redmi Note 5, and this is the global version that I have here. And let's check out some of the specifications first. So this is a 3 gig and 32 gig version. So I've got 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. Then we've got 6-inch full screen display which has an aspect ratio of 18:9. Then we've got dual cameras at the back and a 13 megapixel front camera. We've got a huge 4000 milliamp hour battery and Snapdragon 636, which is an octa-core processor. So let's go ahead and unbox this phone and see the package inside. So let's put this aside, and so this is off finally. So anyways, let's unbox it, and it's actually a really hard box to unbox. So there we go, and there it is, our Redmi Note 5. Do we have a way to pick it up? No. So there it is. It has got a metal build as far as I know, so very solid build quality. It's huge in hand, but we'll come back to it later. Let's see what else is inside the box. Okay, that's nice. We have got a back cover here, and it's darker one, so there is that, so it will match the black color of the phone, so that's nice. Then we have got some startup guide here as well, and what else? Nothing else is here. We have got our charger here. So is this a fast charger? So this is a 5-volt 2 ampere charger. I don't know if it's a fast charger or not. And then finally we have our data cable, standard data cable, no headphones. We have a SIM ejector tool in here. So that's pretty much it from the box itself. Let's put it all aside and let's take a look at the phone. So here it is. Let's take off these stickers. Okay, so that's the phone. Very nice build quality. We've got dual cameras at the back, fingerprint sensor here, and then we have got a camera at the front. We've got a flash at the front as well, speakers down below, and we've got our charging port, headphone jack, mic, and a mic above here, and then I guess we have got infrared here as well. Let's turn it on and go through the initial setup. So this is a 6-inch IPS LCD panel, and it has a pixel density of 400 or 3 or 2 something. So very sharp, very colorful display, and I'm actually pretty interested in knowing which version of Android it's running. I've read somewhere that it's running on Android 7, but I have my fingers crossed to see Android 8. So we have MIUI 9, lightning fast. Okay, let's get through this quickly. Skip this, and I want to skip the setup part here and want to go to the home screen as quickly as possible. Okay, so a nice touch here is the rounded corners here at the top, which makes it feel really high-end and nice. Okay, so let's agree to these terms. And okay, Mi Cloud need permissions, got it. Let's allow for now, skip for now, continue anyway, just skip it please. So we've got fingerprint only, screen lock. Let's skip this thing as well. So it's a huge phone actually in hand. We've got, nice chunk of bezels at the top and at the bottom. Even with this 18:9 screen ratio, reaching the fingerprint scanner is easy. Okay, so it's loading apps and it's taking a long time. This shouldn't be happening. Okay, setup is complete and we are in. So there we go. Let's go in settings and let's go in about phone. We have got an update here already. Let's see what this update is all about. So it's a stability update and we'll update it later. Right now it's running on Android version 8.1.0. Thank God it's running on the latest Android version. We have got 3 gigs of RAM, and out of 32 gigs we have got 21.87 gigs available to use out of the box without downloading any apps or anything else on this phone. Let's go and check out the camera. Okay, so we have got the swipe interface, which is nice. We have got portrait mode, so you can produce those bokeh effects in your photos. Let's check out the speed on this thing. Okay, so not the fastest, but it's okay. It takes a bit of a time here, so if we are doing it quickly, it takes its time, and that's really irritating. It should be fast enough to work with the shutter. But anyways, that's the camera app. So that was the unboxing of Redmi Note 5. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or you can catch me on Twitter as well. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.